Guru understands that managing technology can be intimidating. That's why we've made our backend easy to use for any member of your team. Whether updating content, events, or special info, Guru's Backend CMS allows for quick and simple changes in real time. If you can use Facebook, you're already a pro. Here's a peek at how it works. The first thing is to familiarize yourself with the CMS homepage and menu. From here, you can access everything like data reports, visitor feedback, and member information. This is also where you can access app features in order to make updates or changes. Need to add a content item to your app? It's simple. Start by clicking on the Items tab in the left-hand menu bar. Next, find the Add Item button on the top right of the screen and select it. Now simply fill out the form. To add an image of the item, click on the image box or drag and drop. Tabs located across the top of the form allow you to assign content to a location, add additional images, attach media files, and add bonus text. If you wish to update an existing item, simply click on the item tile like so, or search for it using the search bar. You'll then follow the same form process as before. Once items are created or updated, they're easy to compile into tours. Content organization is just a fraction of what you can do. The backend has features for every department in your institution. Have something exciting coming up? The Events tab allows for real-time updates of museum events, from new exhibition openings to special after-hours occasions. Want to reach visitors when it counts? Your team can create and schedule special pop-up notifications for coupons, event announcements, donation opportunities, and more. It only takes a few clicks. And don't forget about data. Guru-powered data reports are conveniently accessed from the same home screen as your backend. Simply click Reports to access on-site visitor behavior data, in-depth demographics, off-site visitor behavior, member data, and more. This is only a peek at what's possible in our backend system, and of course, your staff will receive Guru-guided training on how to access anything you need. Plus, we're always happy to manage all of it for you. How much or how little you interact with the backend is up to you. Making things easy for your team is what we strive to do. What can Guru do for you?